What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to install a theme into your WordPress website. So before anything, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics, not just internet's on the site's favor. So let's get this started. When you first came to WordPress, you want to create a website and want to have an easier way to do this. And into the yesterday's video that I'm gonna leave a link into the description below and a card over here, you're gonna learn how to install plugins on your site to extend the features. However, features without design are absolutely nothing, and the one who controls design, who make your site beautiful or not, it's your team. So how to install themes on your site, how to install free themes, how to install premium themes. This is what we're gonna learn, but let's get this started with the most simple way, okay? If you first come to WordPress dashboard, normally the dashboard is accessed on your domain.com plus WP admin or WP login, or from the hosting account dashboard, okay? You can access WordPress from there. After this, reveal the left sidebar of menus and hover your mouse over Appearance and click on Themes submenu. By default, into every single WordPress installation, when you first install WordPress, it comes with the 20 theme, okay? It's the current year theme that WordPress launches every single year with the latest update, and we are currently on 2024, okay? But this theme is quite limited, and you would like to install other ones. So you can click right here to add new theme. And from here, you can choose popular WordPress themes, or you can search into the upper right corner from your screen. Into search themes, you can search for theme. I would like to recommend you the Enzo WordPress theme or Visual Model free WordPress theme, okay? But you can choose any theme that you want. However, Enzo gives you amazing features to customize your site and it's free. So we would like to install this one. After finding your theme, we're gonna hover our mouse over it. You can click to details and preview in the case you want to see more details and more options about the theme. And after, we're gonna click on install, okay? Theme is now installed. Now you can activate the theme. Click on activate button. And this is gonna redirect you to the theme welcome page. Into the case of Enzo WordPress theme, this theme comes with pre-built websites and essential plugins that you can install for free as well. So you can install plugins from here or add pre-built websites from here. And there is some tutorials, some ideas, and some recommendations for using your site right here, okay? But it changes according to the theme that you are using, okay? Now, how to install your theme with the file without going to WordPress dashboard. First, let's learn how to delete a theme. Go to Appearance, hover your mouse over Themes, and click on it. Now, as you can see, we have two themes, Enzo and 2024. To install a theme, to delete a theme, first we need to activate another theme. So I'm gonna hover my mouse over 2024 and click on Activate. Now and only now I'm gonna be able to delete Enzo. How to delete? Click on Theme Details and there is a little delete button right here, okay? To the bottom of your page. Are you sure? Yes, click on OK. No more Enzo theme. And how to install a theme with the theme files? First thing, you need to get the theme files. If it's a free WordPress theme, you can find the theme and click on download. I recommend that you only download free themes from WordPress.org. That is the safer place, okay? So here is the file. We're gonna click on add new theme once again. And now there is a button called upload theme, okay? Click on it. Now, if you have the theme in a zip format, you may install or upload it by uploading it here. Click on choose file. Find the file that you just have downloaded. In my case, is this file right here, enzo.zip. Click on open. and click on install now. You're gonna see your theme now installed successfully, so click on activate and you have the theme active. Now, how to install a premium WordPress theme on your site? Same way. First, you need to download the theme from the site that you trust. I recommend that you to download themes from WordPress, for WordPress from visualmodo.com, okay? But get the file. Now, go to Appearance, left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard, click on Themes, click on Add New Theme, click on Upload Theme, choose File. When you download the theme, normally it comes with a file just like this, theme master or theme master files. So click on it and click on open. Now let's try to install. You're gonna see an error, okay? WordPress is trying to install the file and there is an error. Uploaded file exceeds the upload max file size. What is this? This is because the file is too big, okay? And you may need to install it in other formats. Nothing to worry, okay? Because this is not the right file. Let me grab the file for you. We're gonna click on it. Now we're gonna click on theme files and here is the theme file, okay? The theme and the child theme. We're gonna copy this one and paste it right here. So if you are working with premium themes, never try to upload the master file. You need to upload the raw theme, okay? So you may need to click right here and extract from here this file right here. Let's try again. So now, as you can see, theme installed successfully, okay? Click on activate. And you're gonna have your theme active just like any other theme, okay? Just remember to extract the files. Of course, according to the place that you got your theme, you may have the theme raw files directly, but no need to worry if you see errors. Just try to extract files, okay? And that is, now you learn how to install themes. Easy, right? And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes or borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site. Or Enzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free. In addition, with your site's gallery, a place where you can promote your app, your site, your game design, anything that you create, you can promote right here. And in the case that you want to go premium while you're doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to your entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, tools, icons, plugins, themes, templates, and many more features to create the site of your dreams. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!